All right, just got home from work. We got a package. Two clips of extended lugs. Two 15mm spacers. I got a feeling that the front will fit. There's enough space, but it's gonna rub when I turn, and I don't even know if the backs are gonna fit. But we're gonna try it out. I'm probably gonna have to end up buying a fender roller and rolling these fenders because it's just too tight right now. Just waiting on an expansion tank for this, and then it's good to go. All right, wheels off, and I believe it'll just sit on there like that. Got our extended lugs. I'm probably gonna paint them black, but this is just a test because I know I'm probably gonna need to roll my fenders. All right, so definitely, I mean, we got poked there, tucked there, so definitely made a big difference for only being the 15mm spacers, but I'm gonna do the other side and then try the back out. And here's a comparison of the lugs. So definitely a lot longer. All right, the front is all done. Gonna see if I can slowly let the car down to make sure it's not gonna hit anything. Wow. Now the back's where I'm really kind of scared to do because already this is without the spacer. I can only fit, I can fit one finger in between. So we'll see. All right, so I just got the back one on, but I'm not gonna put the other side on right now because I don't know if it's gonna fit, and I'm going to pick up another set of wheels tomorrow, so don't want to raise the car up tonight. Got a lot lower to go. I don't think they're gonna fit. Oh shit. That is freaking. Oh. Oh, sad day. It's sitting on the tire right now. Yeah, because I mean the car's not near as low as it usually is. You can see we still have a gap here. And this side we have, it's tucking. So, gonna take the spacers off, but might leave them on in the front. Overall though, if you wanna raise your car up a bit, or if you're not that low, I think they were good for their money. I mean, I think it was $90 on Amazon for the set of 4, so I mean, pretty big difference, and they went on super easy, came with extended lugs, high quality. Well, left the spacers on the front and none on the back. But I'm gonna get wheels tomorrow, so it's fine to look kind of weird for one day. Man, the front looks good.